Hi everyone, my name is Tommy and this is my website for Project Zero of CS50's Web Programming with Python and JavaScript course. This website is a recipe website that is built upon HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Sass, and uses Bootstrap's grid and built-in components as well. So this is the homepage and it's just an overview, like the latest recipes uploaded to the site. Each one has their own caption here. And on every single page, it just has the responsive nav bar, which I will show you. So this is the tablet view, the drop-down collapsible menu, and then on the mobile as well. And then on the bottom, we have just a footer with some links to email, LinkedIn, and GitHub. So all recipes page is very similar to the home page, but with this little header here that allows the recipes to be filtered by the meal type. So if I click on lunch, you get the soup. Dinner, there's a few more options. Snacks, you get the oat bars, and then clicking back on the all recipes shows every single recipe on the site. So the about page just gives a rundown of the requirements of the project, and the contact page just features a contact form, which is not going to work. It's not linked up to a backend or anything. So if I click on one of the recipe pages, each page is pretty much identical. So each page has an image of the meal, and underneath that, just a table of ingredients. Whoops. Just a table of ingredients, and then underneath that, the method, and it has an ordered list of the steps to make the recipe. If we look over in the code, just a quick look, see that I use Bootstrap, Google Fonts, my own CSS and Sass style sheets, and then the Font Awesome for the footer icons. As you can see, I use containers, the nav bar, component, columns, and at the bottom I've used just a built-in Bootstrap Flexbox component to make sure everything's nice and centered on the footer. On the recipe page, you can see you've got image, responsive table, and an ordered list as well. I split my style sheets up from one normal CSS and one Sass style sheet. On this CSS style sheet, you see there's at least 5 different CSS properties and different types of selectors. There's multiple ID selectors and class selectors, and then at the bottom there's a couple of media queries just altering the width, the size of the image, the logo in the nav bar. On the Sass style sheet, there is the variables here for the font and text color, and then we have some inheritance here, which you can see in this part, and also some nesting in this nav toggle ID selector for the list items, and same in the footer as well. So that has been my Project Zero website. Hope you've enjoyed, and thanks for watching.